Hey guys, what's going on? So if you are currently in Africa or Nigeria precisely, and you are someone that is using platforms like PayPal or Payoneer or Stripe to receive your money, but you are finding it difficult to be able to withdraw those money directly to your local bank account in any country you're residing right now. Now I'm going to be showing you right now in this video the best platform you can be able to use to withdraw that money. Okay, now this is not just going to be the best platform, but this is going to be the best platform that's going to give you the best rates, okay, so that you will ensure that you are getting the most out of your money and not leaving money on the table by going with platforms that gives you lower exchange rates. Now to show you exactly what I mean, so right here we are on my Payoneer account and you can see the funds I have right now. Now if I go over to withdrawal right now and go to withdraw to bank, now let's say I want to go ahead and withdraw this money that I have right here in USD. Okay, so let me go ahead and select the Nigerian bank. As you can see, I have different currencies right here, the US bank that I attached here, but I also attached my Nigerian account bank right here, which is this First Bank of Nigeria. So if I go ahead and select this one right now, and let's say that I want to go ahead and withdraw just $100. Okay, I want to show you guys the exchange rate. Now you can see right here that $100, $1 is currently going for 1,315 naira. Okay, but there is an exchange rate that I can get more than 1,315 naira right now. Okay, now regardless of the fee that they are charging right here, you can see the current exchange rate that Payoneer is gonna give me when I withdraw this money directly to my Nigerian bank account. But the platform which I'm going to be recommending to you guys today, which is this particular platform right here known as Renes, is actually going to be giving us far more better exchange rate than what Payoneer gave us. Okay, so right here you can see I am on my Renes account right now. So let's also go, let me go ahead and send some money right now so that you can also see. So right now I'll click on send and I'll go ahead and also select the same First Bank account that I have right here. So I'll change this to USD. Okay, so let's say that I want to go ahead and withdraw the same $100. Okay, now if I click on that, now you're going to see that Renes is actually giving us $1. The exchange rate right here is $1 is going to be 1,374 naira. Okay, so whereas Payoneer is giving us what, 1,315 naira. So let's go ahead and do a quick mark right now. Now if I go over to Renes right now, let me copy the exchange rate that's going to give us for $1. All right, so I will copy it and I will go back to, bring up my calculator right now. So I'm going to paste this right here, then I'm going to minus it with the exchange rate that Payoneer is giving us right here, which is this 1,315 naira. Okay, so minus this. So you can see that we are actually getting more money right now. So for each $1 that we are withdrawing directly to bank account using this particular Renes account, we are getting 59 naira right now. Okay, so imagine that you want to withdraw $1,000. Okay, just multiply this right now with 1,000 so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about right now. So you can see that you are literally losing like 59,000 naira directly to Payoneer than on this particular account. Okay, so now imagine that you're actually doing it with $10,000 or so. That's when you see how crazy this is. Okay, so if you multiply this by instead, now you can see that you can also lose like 590,000 naira when you try to withdraw something like $10,000 directly from Payoneer. But when you use this particular platform, you are going to be getting more. Okay, and this particular platform right now that known as Renes, you can use it to withdraw money from different places, like I said, Payoneer or Stripe. Okay, so right now you can see my Stripe account right now. You can see a withdrawal that I made right here from my Stripe account, okay, directly to this particular Renes account. Okay, so let me show you that withdrawal quickly. So if I scroll down right now, you are going to see that money right here on March 23rd. Okay, so right now I know that you are seeing that they sent $1,141, okay, instead of $1,200. So obviously Stripe is actually going to charge you some money when you are trying to withdraw right now. As you can see that the processing fee that they actually charge me right here is $53.10. Okay, so if you minus all the fees that they actually charge me right now, that's how we are now be able to receive this money directly to my Renes account. And Renes is actually not going to be charging you any fee right now. As you can see, their total fee is actually $0 to help you to receive money. And I've been using this Renes to be able to receive money over the years. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on view all right now and scroll down, you can see that I've actually done over 258 transactions using this particular platform, and they have been using them for like over 3 years right now, like I said. And you can also do well to do your own research before you go ahead and start using them. But this is a platform that I've been using, and there are so many things you can use this platform to do. You can also use it to generate a card. Okay, so as you can see right now, I have my own card, which is a USD card that I use to pay anything that I want to pay online. Okay, so this particular card, which is this Renes card that I have right now, I can use it to pay for anything I want to pay online without any issues. Okay, so anywhere that they are turning down your card right now, or you want to buy something, you want to pay for Apple Music, or you want to pay for a subscription, or you want to pay something from Amazon or any platform right now, eBay and so on, you can get card from Renes to be able to do that. And there are other things you can actually do with Renes. Okay, so you can go over to their payment right now. You can generate a payment link that you can send to your client, and once they click on it and make payment there, you receive your funding directly right here on your Renes account. Or you can also go ahead and generate an invoice, because most clients will ask you to send an invoice for them to pay you through that invoice, so that they can be able to keep a record that they are paying you money or they are paying your company money. You can actually use Renes right now to be able to generate that invoice. Just come over right here, click on this new invoice, and go ahead and start generating your invoice. And you can also go ahead and create a USD account, you can create a British pounds account, you can create a Euro account, and you can also create a Nigerian account right now, which you can use to receive money right here on your Renes account. As you can see, all the accounts right here that I have right now. Okay, and that's not even all. Even if you go over to your account sections right now, you can see that you can also be able to create a USDT address right here, or USDC address right now. So should in case the client wants to pay you using USDT right now, you can generate that account right here on your Renes account and receive your payment. So guys, that's what I have for you guys in this video. If you would like to sign up on the Renes platform, go ahead and use the link I'm going to include in the video description of this particular video. And like I said, always do your own research. Okay, I share this platform with you guys simply because I've seen a lot of people complaining that they are not getting better exchange rates from the platform that they are using. Okay, so this is the one I've been using for years right now, and it has been working best for me. Okay, so that's why I showed you guys some of the platforms that I'm using it on, like Stripe, like Payoneer, like any of these other platforms that you are receiving your foreign currencies on, but you're finding it difficult to get a better exchange rate when you're withdrawing it to your local bank account, be it in Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana. This Renes platform is actually going to serve you the best. Do your own research and go ahead and use them if you want to use them. And if you are just new to this channel, or if you like this video, you can do well to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell notification icon, so that once I drop new videos right here, YouTube will notify you to come here and take advantage of that video. If you have any question concerning this video or any other video I've made, drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to respond to your question. Okay, and also do well to share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that you know that will get value from this particular video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on my next video.